I'm prolific, so gifted. I'm the type that's gon' go get it.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to 10 Minute Tech Reviews. And today we bring you a simple unboxing of the Samsung Z Fold 7. While there are a couple of things that most consumers feel this phone is lacking, it's clear that Samsung has delivered one of their most polished foldables yet. Samsung has really prioritized this version, making it feel like a regular phone in your pocket and a truly immersive tablet when opened. The unboxing is simple, just a few bits of documentation and a USB-C cable for charging, while our counterparts overseas are still including items such as a free case and the actual charging brick. Here in America, all we get is a cable. Tis what it is. The colour 10 Minute purchased is the jet black. While I'm sure you have been hearing these specs for weeks, I'll be brief. It's packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, flagship performance, 1TB of memory and 16 gigs of RAM. It's running the latest One UI 8 on Android 16, designed for foldables. As you can see, it's very thin and finally brings Samsung foldables up to date with our counterparts such as Vivo and Huawei. A side-by-side comparison with the Samsung Z Fold 5 shows its true size and contrast compared to today's model. While the charging brick is not in the box, I would be remiss if I did not mention Spigen and their PowerArc charger, a very good option at the price. Since this is not included, it's a great pickup. The link is in the description. In closing, the Z Fold 7 is a marvel of a phone, and even though Samsung may have taken away some key features that power users like, it's clear that they are focusing on finally bringing their flagship up to par with other foldables. Please be sure to stay tuned to the channel as we give you more coverage of the Z Fold 7 and cases from companies such as Spigen, Rinke, Benks and Samsung Official. We'll see you all in the next video. Adios.